Hello little artists, I'm Marina Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a dolphin. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, and using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker, but you can change this for a pencil. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper. The first thing I'm gonna do is an eye with an oval shape, and inside I'm gonna put two circles, and then I'm gonna fill with black the spaces that I have left. Then on the top I'm gonna do kind of like an upside down letter U, and I'm gonna pass my marker twice, just like this. The next thing I'm going to do is the front of his mouth. So I'm going to leave a finger space right here. Then I'm going to do a C shape, a backward C shape. So I'm going to start from this point going up and then going down. And I'm going to stop right here. I'm leaving again a finger space. And now I'm going to extend this bottom line a little bit down. And now I'm going to go here close to the eye. I'm going to start going down. So I'm going close to the eye and I'm going down just like that. And I want to curve here. This is the part of his mouth, like the bottom part of the mouth. You see, it's looking funny right now, but let's finish this shape so it's going to make more sense. So now we're going to go from this point up, just like this. Now that we finished the mouth, I want to continue doing the head, and it's gonna be a curved line here really close to the eye. I want to put my finger down here underneath the eye, and I want to do a curved shape that is gonna go from the mouth down really close where I have my finger. The next thing is gonna be one of these fins is gonna be here. So I want to start with a C shape. It's a backward C shape. And now I want to connect the both sides with a triangle shape, and this triangle is very curvy at the end. Just like this. And now we're going to follow the line that we did on the head. We're going to pretend this line passed in behind this fin, and I'm going to go down and start curving really to the right side. There. Now this one is going to go down too, and it's going to get closer to the line we did first. So we're going to start following this, going down. I want to stop right there. This is a diagonal line, and now I want to do a curve. So let's curve and connect to the dot we put here. Now I want to copy the same shape I did here for the fin. It's going to be back here, but I'm just going to copy the end of it because we can just see the tip of the fin, just like that, a triangle shape. Now let's finish the tail, and this one is gonna look like a moon shape. So I'm gonna start here with a curl line to go up. Now in this one go down, and now let's connect these two with a curved line from side to side, from the bottom to the top. There on the corners I'm doing it kind of like rounded a little bit. Now here behind I'm gonna put the back fin or the top fin, and it's just looking like this, like a little triangle. This one is smaller than the other fins. And to finish this draw on the bottom, we're gonna put a splash. So we're gonna start doing some water drops, and these ones can be different sizes and can be pointing out, kind of like to the sides. And on the bottom, I'm gonna do two U shapes together, just for the splash, or the water is splashing where he's going out. And there, that's it. We finished this dolphin. I hope you liked this lesson. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more lessons like this one. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay little artists, that's it for today's video. Here you can see the colors I use. First I color all blue, and then I use this color gray to put some shade here on the knee and here on the tail. Also I use a white crayon to put some light on it. So if you see here on the top or on the sides or over here, I put some light with that. You can also use a white color pencil. For the water, I picked this light blue to put here, and I leave some white spaces to give it more like volume there. And the very last thing, I use this super light gray for the tummy, so you can see better if I pick up the paper just like that. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with your friends, since that helps my channel a lot. See you next time.